My country people, una welcome back to my channel today. Phyna don finally go her Maldives trip, and the live video wey be say she do for the Maldives trip, wey be say she mention Groovy and Eloswag name, don cause reactions online. Also, Somgel shippers don come out to come celebrate 9 months anniversary for Soma and Angel. So Soma and Angel today go mark 9 months anniversary for them, for their amazing relationship. So this thing one that they see for the screen na some of the write up comments wey be say fans drop for both of them to take congratulate them. Very big something, because Angel wey be say we know she no dey really stay for relationship. Make una check for that shine your eye season na, una see am say she and Cross first move around small, e no work. She and Sammy come still move around, the thing no, their relationship no even last at all. So for her to stay with Soma, and Soma too na another person wey be say head no correct, for two of them to fit stay together till now, the thing surprise netizens. Congratulations to the both of them. Unto Phyna matter, as we all know, Travel Better don finally do well on their promise about their trip, wey be say they promise Phyna as part of the prize for her winning the Big Brother Naija Level Up season. Phyna carry us and her fans along with her as she dey go for the journey. When she dey for aeroplane, she just dey show us how the thing be. So she reach there today afternoon, but for that side na night. When she reach na night, so she come say make she do live video for her fans. Now the conversation for the live video na come trigger some reactions online. First of all, she talk about how the trip be so far. She make mention say when she reach there, say she dey very hungry, and the food wey be say they give her for there, say the food she no eat that kind of food. Say so wetin she go do be say she go dwell on eating fruit and eating bread. She also explain to us as if I didn't mean she know, say as she dey come from Nigeria to that place, say she for cook jollof rice, put her for cooler, say the thing for no spoil, or she for carry egusi and some things wey be say she go use take whip small soup wey be say she go chop. Explain to her, she say she no know how she go take survive for there for the remaining days. A particular fan for the life come dey ask am say, babe, how far, what of Groovy, why be say na only you waka go the trip wey be say Travel Better organize for you? Well, she say make nobody dey mention that boy name, say it's been 3 years now, and she don move past all those things, say she no wan dey hear am again. So as she dey talk that one, Eloswag come enter the life. Eloswag come dey greet her for the life. So now she come just dey make a comment to say Adimbi Eloswag calm down, which means Adimbi Eloswag agree make two of them date that time when they dey inside the house. Eloswag for enjoy after the show. For those of una wey no know as their relationship dey start, that time for the Level Up season, Eloswag 2 weeks into the show, Eloswag and Phyna na dey together. Two of them they wan start something, they lock lips together for the garden all the time after their Saturday night party. So one day like that, after the Saturday night party, all the level 1 housemates come dey vex for Eloswag, say why im go dey follow girl like Phyna, all those type of things, say she's dirty, she's this, they come dey insult her. Chomzy na be the person where they actually carry the matter for her. That day it was very hot for Eloswag for inside the house, and so Eloswag come sideline Phyna, come go dey follow Chomzy. Chomzy na after the show, Chomzy come dump Eloswag go follow rich man wey be say be Figo. So make una lis ten to Phyna live for una sef.
Swag is here, my swaggy do, baby. My swaggy do. If they say Eloswag agree, calm down now. She be na me and her for come Maldives. Eloswag. Eloswag. I say if they say you calm down now, she will for come Maldives. Bro, you don't agree. Calm down. If they say you calm down. Olivia, girls with the hot. People don't make up. Not be hype. Eloswag, if they say Eloswag calm down. That year, if they say you calm down. Eloswag, Eloswag. Next time, calm down, yeah? I swear. Eloswag, next time, calm down, yeah? But then it is what it is. Yeah, use Eloswag catch cruise. I go use Eloswag catch cruise. Now truth I dey tell. Now even if you know say that.
So after this life wey be say she do, wey be say she make this statement, people come dey come out dey insult her, say madam rest, you too like Eloswag, it's been how many years, the boy no even like you, all those type of thing. So for me, I was actually in that live video, and from the way she sound, na cruise na she dey cruise. Una no ask Phyna matter dey be na. Once she don dey talk like this, she dey always talk am as cruise. Truth be say Eloswag and Phyna would have been a perfect pair. Unlike that thing wey be say she do with Groovy for the me personally, I believe to say for really work out between her and Eloswag, had him being Eloswag green man up and choose Phyna over Chomzy. Make we see some fans reaction over this particular life wey be say Phyna do today. The first person come say shaking my head, come put emoji wey put am for face, come say una favorite no go ever get sense. It's been how many years later, people are sponsoring themselves there, and you are going on a sponsor trip and you are throwing shades. Is it by force to agree? Another person can say, wish I would type what's on my mind right now. Worstest winner ever. Another one say, why she no carry her mama rejected pikin? In as much as Phyna dey very annoying most of the time, but this particular life wey be say she do, I not really see anything wey be say she talk wey dey bad for inside. As a matter of fact, I was even shocked say Phyna not shade anybody for this life. Eloswag dey for inside her life when be say she dey talk, and he was laughing when Phyna made that particular statement. Reason why be say anytime wey be say she talk, even if she talk something out of cruise, even if she talk something nice, people dey always attack her because of the negativity wey be say she does spread so far. The thing pass the positivity for her life. That's why you see say anything wey be say she talk, people dey always dey quick to pick on it. Well, she said tomorrow, say she go start another life by 8 a.m. So me, I will be there to see wetin dey sup, and I go bring the full gist come drop for una for here. Una take care, una bye.